Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn $200 into $1,350,000 just by buying Shiba Inu. So as you can see here, Shiba Inu is sitting at number 13 on CoinMarketCap as of now, and you also have Dogecoin sitting at number 9. And it's crazy how Shiba Inu came up that fast though. It's literally been 2 weeks and this coin came up number 13, which is crazy to me, but that's not a point. So if you do spend $200 today on Shiba Inu, if you do that divided by the price of the coin right now, so 1.1234, and then let's just say 4 here, which is the price of one Shiba Inu as of now, you will have 5 million Shiba Inu. If you look at here, you can also check the calculation on your side to make sure I got it correctly. I'm pretty sure I did, but never too safe. You're gonna have 5 million Shiba Inu as of now. And let's say Shiba Inu end up going to the price of Dogecoin, right? Which means one Shiba Inu will be worth 27 cents. So from there, we're going to take that times 0.27 here, which is going to give you $1,350,000 that you can either cash out or leave it into the exchange, hoping that it's going to appreciate to give you more money. This is not financial advice. Make sure you kind of do more research into it to make sure you get the right number you are investing into, what you believe is the next cryptocurrency, and also do your homework. So if you like this little analyzation, make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, and leave a comment on what you want to see next.